Morning team, it's Thursday, March 2nd. Yesterday, PMI moved the market a little bit, not too much, but yeah. Today, we got some small news in London session, and I think that's it. Okay, maybe this one gonna move. FX Street also put like many small news. I'm gonna be active in London session and in New York for sure. But yeah, let's have a look at charts. Let's start with weekly. Weekly printed 156.67 pips so far, so it's like kind of decent, but it's fine rejection now. Yeah, daily as expected is bearish order block untested. Well, the real order block will be on the origin, let's say. But yeah, this was the last candle, so I consider this one, especially because they had the fair value gap here. So it's doing its work, let's say. No, for now we are in the situation where we don't know if they're gonna hold and resend price lower, or they're gonna push it and send price higher. On a daily level, price is still bearish. You know, the fractal structure is still bearish. You know, the real structure, as I said before, it was bullish, so this support is working, but the fractal structure is bearish. The recent flow is down over lower low and lower highs. I mean, you cannot go wrong here, but you never know. The way it's been tested now, this bearish order block, I think if we keep pushing, it should give up because it's been well mitigated now. But I have no idea if they're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna reevaluate when hourly say so. Let's check hourly charts. Yeah, H12, the meme block that I call Momo resumed block is doing what I expected. You know, I never say like we're gonna print a new low. I say I expect a reaction, and indeed it's reacting here. Because when I see, let me do like in another way. Also works in a bullish side. When price start to go, oh wait, let's do like this. When look here, you can see the same basically on the bullish side though. When price start to go, that they lose momentum, no? You see here, like price was going up, then they start to slow down. Somebody start to selling, then they dump. Then somebody resume the momentum. I expect these people that bought here to defend their price level, and this is exactly what's happening here. You see? I mean, as always, price action is not a low, but I like this type of pattern. Price is slowing down. Somebody here bought big time, sent price higher, and now they defending their price. So for now, it gave a reaction. Well, if we come back here, I have no idea what they're gonna do. Okay, but you can expect a reaction from this level, and the same happened here. Somebody was selling. Somebody start to stop selling. Then they sold again, pushed the price down, and now it's reacting. Okay, this is my explanation if you get it. Anyway, H12, same as daily, still down. The fractal structure, the recent one. So yeah, it doesn't tell me anything else right now. H4 fractal is up. Okay. The real structure to my eyes is still down. This big rejection block. Let me see. Yeah. Equilibrium. The price couldn't close above equilibrium. So right now it's pushing lower. Yeah. This sort of breaker, because in the end this is a breaker, kind of already react here, but it was not fully mitigated. You know, when price broke up this swing high, broke this one, okay? Then they broke up again, And then when they came back, they found support and push it. But after 2 3 pushes, I think now lost its steam, this breaker, so it doesn't feel like a valid sponsorship for me too long anymore, you know, like this break is kind of mitigated, so I don't know. I think we can easily go lower. How much lower, I don't know. We're gonna see on H1 now. Right now the flow is down, you know what I mean. H1 is gonna be a little bit more cleaner. Yeah, I was saying how much lower. To be honest, I think this is next. Well, right now we are still at support, you know. But I think if this one gives up, we can easily see something like this, you know. And then here is gonna be a whole new story, because this is also a breaker, and it's kind of in OT level. Let me see. Yeah. Maybe here we can find some scalp long. I don't know. I don't want to be extra bullish, to be honest. After rejection from a daily bearish order block, I don't want to be extra bullish. But if we get here and I see some kind of accumulation, I can get a scalp long, 20 pips, 15 pips, 3R, 2R, and done with my day, you know. I don't need too much. Yeah. Where I'm gonna be wrong with my bearish hourly bias here. If we start to close straight above this order block, which I dislike because it's in Asia, but if we start to close above this one, then we can keep going higher. Let's have a look to low time frame. Yeah, this one yesterday had a long here when price was pushing, and they never got tagged. Instead they stopped here and they keep pushing, which this is like the same breaker I mentioned before, you know, like it's confront with this breaker. So yeah, I don't know, I have this M15 marked out. I like this candle because it's a flat top, they pushed a lot. I don't know, I think this candle gonna give some sort of reaction. And yes, I'm aware that there is some liquidity here. Yeah, above yesterday. What is this? London close? Yes. Yeah, this is a bit embarrassing for Euro. Euro doesn't do this too much. But who knows? Maybe they leave for later. Point is that we are reacting from a big bearish of the block, and right now they're printing lower lows and lower highs. So yeah, I don't see any reason to be extra bullish right now, right here. As I said, maybe when we go into discount area of this big move, because in the end, how many pips is this? This is a big one yesterday, huh? 120 pips is a lot. For Euro is a lot. When we go in discount, we reevaluate. Right now, I don't feel the need to long myself. I think the flow shifted down. They're printing lower low and lower highs, so for me, I'm gonna keep going with the flow until M15 give me the reason to shift my bias for longs, and I'm gonna post in FXCO chat. That's enough for me today, guys. Tomorrow is my last day doing the daily review, because then I have a trip to Brazil and I'm gonna be away for at least 10 days. So that's it. I'm gonna speak to you tomorrow and later in the chat. Bye.